Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very interesting product for unboxing and review, and this is a very interesting and a very useful accessory for your iPhone 12 or 13. I have this iPhone 13 Pro that I bought few months ago. I really love this because this iPhone is MagSafe compatible. There are few accessories that you can put on or attach to its back which are really handy, and this product is one of those. Let me do quick unboxing and show you what's that product, and let me show you the features of that product. Can you guess what this product is? If you are not able to guess, let me tell you. It's a MagSafe battery bank by Anker for iPhone 13 or 12, and I'm gonna use it with iPhone 13 Pro that I have. So as you can see in the box, you get this manual. This is the battery bank, which is MagSafe battery bank, and you get this cable as well. This is USB-C to USB-C cable. Let me keep these cables aside and review the product. Okay, I ordered this Anker MagSafe battery bank in this blue kind of color. Build quality and feel of this material is really great. I think it is really handy. As you can see, it fits my hand perfectly. I will also put it on my iPhone to show you the size comparison, but one of the best feature is you can fold it like this and it becomes a stand for your phone as well. So this is the Anker 622 magnetic MagSafe for iPhones. Basically you can use it with other phones as well, but I think it is best compatible with iPhone. So let me quickly put it on my iPhone and show you. Here is my iPhone 13 Pro. For size comparison, you can see it fits this MagSafe cover, leather cover by Apple, very perfectly. It is not bulky and it actually matches with the iPhone's sapphire blue color this year. So as you can see, it fits really well. It has already started charging my iPhone. There you go. It is charging my iPhone. Let me take it off and show you what happens again. It holds on to this phone really tight. As you can see, I am just trying to shake it off and it is holding really well, and that's because of the MagSafe, because these magnets are really powerful. I'll try to just slide it in. It has not fit those magnetic rings on the back of this cover and iPhone, so as soon as I go there, it will start charging. So the magnet is really powerful, I would say. So you don't have to worry about it. With regard to its width, I think it is as broad as my iPhone, at least in this cover. I think it is slightly more thicker than the iPhone, but with this cover, I think they look similar, and you can hold it like this. That's not an issue. I think it does add some weight, but when you don't have any battery and you want to charge your iPhone, I think this is one of the best products out there. So let me tell you why I ordered this MagSafe accessory or this MagSafe battery bank rather than going with Apple's or any other brand's MagSafe battery bank. The first reason was because this is USB-C compatible. This gives me the flexibility to charge my phone. So I found myself in a lot of situations where I don't have access to iPhone cable. As a matter of fact, there are more Android phones than iPhones in the world, and everywhere you go you will definitely find someone using Android phone rather than an Apple. If you don't have access to Apple's lightning cable, you would or most probably will have access to this USB-C from some Android user, and you can charge this Anker's MagSafe battery bank, and then you can charge your phone through that. So it gives me flexibility to use both the two different ports, because honestly I would have loved iPhone to have USB-C port, because all my other products from Apple, iPad, MacBook, they are USB-C compatible. The only thing I have to carry lightning cable is for this iPhone, but in case I'm not carrying my lightning cable, I can still charge this battery bank using USB cable and then eventually charge my iPhone without any issues. So I think this gives me a great flexibility to charge my iPhone with the USB cable. That was the biggest selling point, and it is from Anker. I really like the products of Anker. I knew that the build quality will be great for this product. This is a very soft rubberized kind of material. The side that attaches to the back of your iPhone is really rubberized, smooth, I would say soft kind of material. To also use this battery bank or power bank as a stand for your iPhone in horizontal or vertical mode. So this was one of the reasons I went with this design, and more than that, it was on offer. And one more reason that pushed me to get this battery bank over any other brand's battery bank was that it was on offer. And I have used Anker's product. I use its wall plug. It is really good. It charges my iPhone really fast, and I knew that I'm going to get a very good quality out of this product. And those were the main reasons I went ahead with this product. I think it stands right in the middle where there is a sweet spot between how bulky it is versus how useful it is. And I think it is not going to be too bulky to carry it around. You can carry it easily, and you can put it in your backpack and you won't feel the weight. And it will obviously give you the flexibility to charge your phone while you are on the go when you don't have any battery in your iPhone. So I think this product is really good, but my three main reasons were: first, it has this USB-C port which gives me far more reaching capabilities of charging this battery bank and eventually charging my iPhone. The second one was the Anker branding, because I have used products from Anker. This this video is not sponsored in any way. I bought this from my own money. When there was a discount on this product on Amazon, I just bought it. I think usually it sells for $60 or $50. I got it for this much, which is a really good deal in my view. And third and very good reason was that I can use it as a stand while you are on the go. Let's say you are in flight and you want to charge your phone and want to use it, you can use this battery bank as a stand for your phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you.